To select the correct type of hardware for your ADSS cable, you need to be knowledgeable about one important word: tension. Because of this, it's necessary to understand terms like maximum installation tension, the maximum loaded tension, maximum rated cable load, and the rated breaking strength. So in this episode of PLP's Fiber Tips and Tricks, we'll explain what exactly these terms mean and how they relate to each other. So to start out, maximum installation tension, also known as MIT, is the tension at which the cable is pulled during the sagging portion of the installation process. The MIT is used to achieve the appropriate installation sag that is secured by the applied dead end. In other words, MIT is the load along the axis expected on a windless and partly sunny day. Maximum loaded tension, also known as MLT, is the highest load expected on the cable based on variable conditions. In other words, it's the cable's worst case loading scenario based on NESC low, medium, and heavy icing and wind conditions. Now, maximum rated cable load, which is also known as MRCL, is the maximum axial load the ADSS cable can experience before the fibers begin to encounter permanent strain. This type of strain can cause optical attenuation and reduce service life for standard cables. The MRCL may approach 60% of the cable's rated breaking strength, and it's important to note that the MRCL is one of the most critical numbers to understand when designing systems. The maximum loaded tension should always be less than that of the maximum rated cable load. This will help to ensure the cable will not experience decreased performance due to tension-related issues. Lastly, the rated breaking strength, or RBS, is the maximum load the cable is tested to withstand before breaking. RBS can be a quick reference for overall cable performance, but it's important to remember that fiber attenuation begins to occur well before the RBS at the maximum rated cable load. In our next episode, we'll explain how to properly utilize these terms when evaluating and selecting hardware for your ADSS system. Until then, thanks for watching. Be sure to check out PLP's complete library of tips and tricks videos on YouTube, Facebook, and LinkedIn.